This is my diagram of the ocean floor. It's made out of salt dough, which is basically just flour, salt, and water mixed together. And then I just painted it with some acrylic paint. So here we have the continental shelves on the right and left side. We have the continental slopes, which are right here and here. We've got the volcanic island, which is back here. And then we've got our little seamounts right here. And then the abyssal plain is here. We have the mid-ocean ridge here. And then this is the trench. And then the three regions of the floor are going to be the continental margins, which include the continental shelf and the slope. And that's on both sides here, the continental shelf and the slope. And then we have the abyssal plain, which is this flat area. That's the second one. And then the third one is going to be these mid-ocean ridges. And the right side here is going to be our active continental margin. And I know this because we've got the shelf here, and then we've got the slope, and then it drops off into that trench. So that means that it is active. And then the left side here is passive because we've got the shelf here and then the slope, and then we've got the abyssal plain and then the continental rise as well. And then this slope is also more gradual and leads off into the abyssal plain, whereas the active side drops off into the trench. So this active side, the active continental margin, that is where two converging plates are colliding into one another, so it creates this big trench here because one plate is going underneath the other one, and that creates the trenches. And then this side here, and then also these ridges are caused by diverging plates, and that's because the plates are pulling away, and then that's the ridge in the middle here. That's going to be the molten core of the earth, and then it comes up and fills these ridges where the plates have pulled away, and that's also what is happening on the passive side as well.